So hi all, welcome to the YouTube channel Mechanical Engineers. So in our last video, we discussed about the introduction to pressure vessels, what are the standards that are used for the designing of pressure vessels, and what are the software used for the designing of pressure vessels. So in today's video, we shall be discussing about the pressure testing of the pressure vessels because it is very important to check to do a thorough inspection of the pressure vessels while they are in use because it is not a requirement of for the company but also a legal requirement. So I'm sharing my screen. So I hope you all can see my screen. So today we'll be discussing why do pressure testing for the pressure vessels. So it is very important to note here that there are two ways we can do the pressure testing of a pressure vessel. First is the hydraulic testing that is using water, and second is the pneumatic testing. So each test has its own merits and demerits. So we shall be discussing about the hydraulic testing today. So, first of all, what is the purpose of pressure testing? The purpose of pressure testing is to ensure that integrity of the equipment and enable it to withstand the normal working pressure. So, while an pressure vessel is in use, it is very important that we do a pressure testing at the defined frequency as per the legal guidelines that are there in a particular region or a area. And the purpose is to ensure that integrity of the equipment is maintained, and it is in while it is in operation, it will withstand the normal working pressure. So there are benefits of hydraulic testing. So if I talk about some of the benefits, that it gives an information about the strength of the pressure vessel. It gives the limited information of the resistance of the vessels to fatigue or environmentally assisted attack because pressure vessel is continuously in use. It has been pressurized, it has been depressurized. So there are the chances of fatigue failure. So this hydraulic testing gives an information of limited information on the resistance of the vessel to fatigue failure. It gives the limited information on the resistance to brittle fracture. So over a period of time, there will be some brittleness in the structure of the pressure vessel. That it also gives some limited information to resistance to that brittle fracture. It shows, so if there are certain flanges in the pressure vessel, it gives an assurance that there are no leakages from the flanges. Then it gives the benefit. It has a structural benefit because local stress concentration and the shakedown. So if there are any local stresses developing inside at the certain point at the pressure vessel, then that also we can easily identify. So if, as I mentioned, this integrity checkup and integrity assessment is very important. Also, the hydraulic testing is very important because if it is not done as per the defined standards or applicable legal guidelines, then failures can occur. I will show you one of the pictures. So this is a failure of an LPG storage tank which was in service. So it was routinely filled with water to purge the spare. See, it has failed during the while it was in operation. So these kind of failures can occur if we don't, do a proper integrity assessment or integrity management for the pressure well. So thank you for watching the video, and in our next video we will be discussing about the pneumatic testing of the pressure vessel and what are the precautions that should be taken during the pneumatic testing of the pressure vessel. Thank you.